Yo, what's good, fam? Today, we're diving deep into some seriously sketchy stuff. We're talking about dodging the drip of 2025's financial scams. You gotta stay alert, because these clowns are trying to finesse your paper. Check it. The scam game is leveled up. With all the new tech, these digital thieves are getting slicker than ever. We're breaking down the latest traps so you can keep your funds secure. Why all these financial traps, you ask? Simple. Where there's money, there are folks trying to take it. These scams target everyday people, trying to catch you slipping when you least expect it. Listen up, you gotta stay woke. Protecting your paper isn't just about saving. It's about not letting these hustlers make you take an L. Knowledge is power in this financial jungle, so pay attention. First up on the sketch list, the deepfake drip. This is next level fraud, where AI is the weapon. These scammers are using advanced tech to make their lies sound like the truth. Imagine your boss or even your grandma calling, sounding exactly like them, asking for a quick wire transfer. That's the AI playing you. They clone voices with deepfake tech, and it's mad convincing. The telltale sign? Unusual urgency, or a request for money transfer that's out of character. If something feels off, pump the brakes and verify the request through another channel. Don't get played. Next, the crypto craze con jobs. The digital currency world is still the Wild West, and it's ripe for manipulation. If you're into digital coin, you need to be extra careful. Watch out for pump and dump schemes. Scammers hype up a trash token, wait for people to buy in, then sell off and leave everyone holding the bag. Also, be on the lookout for straight-up fake tokens that disappear after you invest. The 411 on safeguarding your digital bag. Only use reputable exchanges. Do your own research. And if a deal seems too easy, it's cap. Seriously, protect those private keys like they're gold. We also got ghost brokers and phony investments creeping around. These are slick talkers peddling investment opportunities that are total make-believe. They promise you the moon, but deliver nothing but debt. If an investment promises crazy high returns with zero risk, it's too good to be true. That's cap. Straight up. Legitimate investing takes time and carries risk, so be realistic about what you expect. They try to finesse you out of your dough by building false trust, rushing you into a decision, and then ghosting you after you send the money. Do your due diligence, always verify licenses, and never feel pressured to invest right now. Switching gears to the job market jive. Times are tough, and people are looking for work, which means scammers are setting up fake employment opportunities to lure people in. Watch out for remote work scams, especially those demanding upfront fees for training, equipment, or background checks. A legit company will hire you. You shouldn't have to pay them just to start working. Vetting that gig is key. Research the company, look up employee reviews, and if the interview process is too simple, that's a red flag. Make sure that new remote job is actually legit. Finally, we got posing as the taxman government imposter scams. These scammers target vulnerable folks, pretending to be the IRS or another government agency, trying to spook you into paying up. These sketchy callers or emailers hit you up about back taxes or fake fines, demanding immediate payment via gift cards or wire transfers. They use scare tactics to make you act fast without thinking. Remember this, the government ain't gonna slide into your DMs or call demanding immediate payment with a gift card. They communicate through official mail. If you get a fishy call, hang up and call the agency directly using a verified number. All right, we covered a lot of ground on the 2025 scam landscape. The key takeaway is simple. Stay sharp, stay safe. Be skeptical of unsolicited contacts and verify everything. Don't let these clowns get a W and take your hard-earned money. Always take a beat, do your research, and protect your personal information like it's the national treasure. Peace out, y'all. Keep that hustle strong and those funds protected. Stay tuned for more financial tips and tricks. Catch you on the next one.